A lot of businesses are switching to Chatwoot lately, but is it actually making customer support easier or just adding another tool to manage? So, Chatwoot is basically a customer support platform that puts all your messages into one dashboard. Instead of switching between apps all day, your team can manage conversations from multiple channels in one place. It also includes live chat, automation tools, shared inboxes, and even AI support features. Now, one big reason people like Chatwoot is because it's open source. That means businesses can self-host it and fully control their own customer data instead of relying completely on another company. And overall, it's become pretty popular among startups and smaller businesses looking for a cheaper alternative to tools like Intercom or Zendesk. In real use, most users praise the affordability and flexibility. For example, small teams say it helps them manage support faster without paying huge monthly costs. The shared inbox and multi-channel support are probably the biggest strengths. But, well, it's not perfect. Some users mention occasional connectivity issues, and beginners without technical experience may struggle with the self-hosted setup. On the positive side, you get multi-channel messaging, strong customization, AI tools, mobile apps, and lower pricing compared to many competitors. On the downside, some advanced features still feel less polished than premium platforms, and the cloud version can become expensive as your team grows. Now, about the price, Chatwoot starts free for small teams, while paid plans usually begin around $19 per agent each month. Compared to expensive customer support tools, that's honestly pretty reasonable, especially for startups. But if you only need simple live chat for a tiny website, this may feel like more than you actually need. So, worth it if you manage customer conversations regularly and want one central support system without paying enterprise-level prices. But if your support needs are very basic, you could probably use something simpler. Honestly, this feels like one of those tools that becomes more useful the bigger your business gets. So if this helped, subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.